the state sign PFA volunteers. He's right there against that tree with an AR-15.
AR-15.
King 301. They're saying he went westbound behind a tree with an AR-15. I'm in Mountain and Bryan. Field of fire is going to be a little west. Edward Ocean Paul 149.
Almost unconscious. Okay. And then they must have rolled out of the car and said, "Fuck this," and grabbed his rifle and shot him.
Okay.
Okay. They're in between the trees.
He's wearing a black shirt, blue jeans. He's still walking westbound towards the cemetery. I cannot see the rifle from here. There's a ton of people walking around now. If we can get those roads shut down.
Okay. All right, we're going to approach. I'm going to turn my lights off and we'll... If we could get somebody to block off the next road to the west. Looks like he might be drinking a beer as well. He's walking to the cemetery right now. Oh shit, shit!
He's pointing his rifle at us. What's that? He's pointing his rifle right at us. Okay. Is that him or you? Me. Shots fired, shots fired. You down? Oh, fuck. Sam, so far he's shooting at our car. Rapid deploy SWAT. I must have got hit in my arm or something. My right arm. Okay, back up. Sam 204, I need a Bearcat to me now. Officer's been hit in the arm. Okay, throw a tourniquet on. Yep. Oh, fuck. He's still behind the tree. Yeah. Next thing, I need eyes on the suspect. I can't see him. Okay, he's running to the cemetery. Hey, I need a car up to me now. 1734 to extract the officer. Suspect's running into the park. Car down there, but the wreck. Come to me now, immediately. Cross over the median. Hey, car that just came westbound. The suspect's behind you in the cemetery. Get him out of here. Go, go, go. Get out of here. Go, 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 go. Sam 204, I need all units that are available. Just start setting up a perimeter around the park. I need the Bearcat to me now. Hey, yeah, get behind that tree. I don't know. I'll get some cover, man. He just shot up my car, and he hit one of our officers.
One of your officers is hurt?
Yeah, we got him extracted.
Do you want our SWAT team too?
I don't know, man. Give me just a second.
Okay.
See what you we looked on the west side of the cemetery and set up containers around the cemetery. You got pouring into your mountain, and
I'll start working the promises.
hey,
I got you.
Okay, hold on.
we're set up on the cemetery entrance on the east side of the
Do
cemetery.
you have anybody off the drone?
Sam 204. Suspect is a white male, blue shirt, blue jeans, carrying a rifle. Last seen westbound from Mountain into the cemetery.
You want to try and
I need the
start
Bearcat to Mountain and Fry. Mountain and Fry.
Oh, I got eyes on him.
I see him.
Go back.
pushing? Sam 14.
Patch channel. Zebra 311, we just saw him. He's running eastbound towards us. He's on the eastbound side.
Towards us eastbound.
And patch us and they'll see us out. Patch our channels.
Okay, guys, get some cover.
We got a blue car coming in this way.
That's the Sam 14 to come in. You have anybody on with the drone?
Okay, I see him. I see him. Careful, he's pointing back. Get some cover.
Yep. He's right there.
Male is in the park. He's pointing back at his rifle towards us.
Zebra 311.
Center of the park.
Okay.
He's going to be.
Look, what's this right here? Is that him?
That looks like him. Yeah, that looks like him.
No, every unit just hold your spot. Don't go into the park. Just don't know where he's at.
Use these stones for cover, bro.
Yeah. 424, 287. We got eyes on him walking south through the park. No, stand by. Shots fired, blue shot away. Suspect fell down. We're not sure if we hit him or not.
47 shots fired. Suspect went down. We're trying to approach.
Hey, hold up, Mark.
Where you
I got
guys
you.
are approaching from the
I'm with
west.
you. You gotta stay down. Right here with good range. He's laying down behind me.
Okay, let's get some cover here.
Last units. Where are you at?
We are west of Taft, approximately 40 yards from our vehicle, which is parked in the cemetery.
Okay, we're going to be approaching from Mountain. Just tell us which way to go.
424. We are field fire to the east. If you guys are on Mountain, it's heading south towards the golf course. We're about 20 yards north of the golf course.
Okay, but is he down?
Yeah, well, he fell after mine, so I don't know if it was.
Is the suspect down? I can tell.
Do you have eyes on him? Yeah. Suspect is down, but we have not confirmed whether he's been hit or not. He hasn't popped up yet.
Okay, hold right there. Let's get the Bearcat here, and then we'll push up to you.
Yeah.
So Bearcat.
Okay, I need the Bearcat to pull into. You need them.
Hey,
Send to a pair. After we take the suspect into custody, we can send medical down to the Bearcat. You need another bear? Send to a pair to the homes on the south. We're going to jump out of the Bearcat now.
Ready?
Okay, hey, if he does anything, then let us know. We're going to pop out.
I got eyes now.
No one. Okay. Okay, you guys ready? Yes, sir. My hands ready?
Yep.
Okay, onward. No movement. Don't move. Okay. Go ahead. Hands, grab him. Grab another one. Go on the side.
Alright, start CPR or first aid.
First aid. Okay. You have a med bag in there?
Coordinate this. I'm going to
You got a med bag in there?